Hello everyone, I'm Kat and I'm a former FlyLady with FlyLady Premium. I did that for about 3 years after working an entire lifetime in the corporate world. I followed the Sidetrack Home Executives back in 1982 and went with them until about the year 2000 when I found Marla Silly, the FlyLady. And she took that system and spun it into the FlyLady system, which I love. It's a great system. And so when there was an opportunity when I retired to be interviewed and chosen to be a FlyLady, I took that opportunity and I was so honored to be called a FlyLady. Now I mentored with them for 3 years. Now I no longer mentor with them. I do personal mentoring. I make YouTube videos. I make Patreon videos. And that's what I do. I do it because it's a calling. It's something I want to do for you. You'll notice I'm not in a house. I'm in an RV. I'm a full-time RVer. But I still know how to do the FlyLady system, trust me. The thing that I want to talk to you about today, a lot of people ask me, when do I go on live? Because I do lives on this channel, this YouTube channel. I also have videos on this channel, starting with how to do the FlyLady system for newbies, my spin on the FlyLady system. And then other videos on how to do the basics. And those are old, my hair is shorter, but they're all true. They hold true. It's a great system. I highly encourage you to embrace it. You will find that I don't do videos on here anymore. I just go live with an occasional instructional video like this one. I go live on Mondays at 10:30-ish. You'll notice I say ish because I am not going to be able to be on here at exactly that time. It's going to be ish. I have a father with Alzheimer's and an elderly mother who don't live in the city but live one city over. My sisters and I care for them. I also have 8 grandchildren and 4 children, 2 steps and 2 birth children, 4 children. I have other commitments. I live with my husband. There are things going on in my life. I'm retired. So when I say ish, no, it's going to be around that time. On Mondays, I go to Weight Watchers, and I weigh in at 9:30 in the morning and stay for my meeting and drive home, and it's a drive. So that is 11:30-ish is when I'm going to go live on Monday mornings. On Monday afternoons, it'll be 6-ish. These are all Eastern Standard Times. On Tuesdays, I go on at 9-ish, and I go on in the evening at 6-ish. On Wednesdays, I am not on at all because I am mentoring early in the morning till late at night, so there's no time to do a live stream with you. On Thursdays, I'm mentoring again, except I'm off earlier in the day and can do a 6-ish live with you on that day. That's on Thursday. On Friday, I go live at 9-ish a.m. I don't go live on Friday nights because that's date night. Saturday is family day and Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day. I don't work on those days. Okay. I also have a Patreon channel. It is $5 a month, and that's where you're going to see in-depth videos on not only the FlyLady system, but other things that make your life better. Dealing with your children, dealing with the way you feel about things, dealing with your sidetrackedness, your ADD, whatever it is. There are lots of great videos on there, hundreds of them. And for $5 a month, you can be a patron on the Patreon channel. So there'll be a link below if you'd like to join Patreon. I am believing for 1,000 of you by this December 31st because we can become a force of 1,000. 1,000 people sharing with confidence how to do this system for people who, like you, are sidetracked. Because there's a falsehood out there that everyone lives in a Pinterest perfect world. There's about 50% of us who are not naturally organized, and even those that are born organized still might need the FlyLady system. So come on over to the Patreon channel and become a force of 1,000. That will fully help you understand how to do this system. The third thing that I do is I do personal mentoring. You will not be offered personal mentoring through the YouTube channel, but only through the Patreon channel. And it usually fills up faster than I can put it out. I offer through Patreon personal mentoring 4 times a year, 3 months at a time, and it's $100 a month. That's $25 a session on average. Okay. That's what I wanted to share with you. Now you know the times, now you know who I am, now you know what I do. I highly encourage you to come on over. I'm going to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and learn how to finally love yourself. That's it for me. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.